I'm here in Las Vegas at CES 2026 at our Infineon Automotive booth here in the Las Vegas Convention Center.
This steering wheel is connected to this car, and it's all doing Ethernet. All this data is actually being transferred from this camera coming in through our switch architecture, but also going to our car. This is all done through 10 gigabits per second, but we also can do slower speeds, such as 10 megabits per second.
Hi, I'm Jerry here at CES in our Internet of Things section, where we're showcasing our latest XENSIV sensors.
You can see that for each of these 4 keys, there is a central 3D Hall sensor. The smart knob, the dial actually works using an angle sensor. We have the joystick knob, which is enabled by the 3D Hall sensor again. We also have CAPSENSE for these buttons, and we have magnetic switches on the top. Finally, the mouse demo. Here, the rotary wheel rotation and also the press for the wheel is controlled by the 3D Hall sensor.
We are super excited to announce our new Wi-Fi 7 product optimized for IoT. In the 2.4 GHz band, we start creating some interference. The Wi-Fi 6 device had to disconnect, whereas look at what happened to the Wi-Fi 7 device. Super cool. It switched over to the 5 GHz band, and it switched in about half a millisecond. Stays connected, no problem at all.